Hi everyone, this is Wendy from Sinogen. In this video, I will introduce SDEC SC13E series generator drive engine. SDEC SC13E series generator drive engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine. The displacement is 12.8 liters per hour. The overall dimension of SDEC SC13E series generator drive engine is about 1,856 mm by 1,000 mm by 1,354 mm, and the gross weight is about 1,164 kilograms. SDEC SC13E series generator drive engine comes with Lonco inline P-type pump and equipped with turbocharger and intercooler. The emission standard can reach up to China Stage 2. The rated engine prime power range covers from 339 kW to 368 kW. With rated speed at 1,500 RPM, which can drive the generator set from 300 kW to 320 kW at 50 Hz frequency. The standard SDEC SC13E series generator drive engine comes with the following accessories: turbocharger, air filter, flywheel, oil filter, charging oscillator. Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact Sinogen at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, please visit our homepage www.sino-gen.com.